Kicha, I cook, I eat, and I'm hungry for more. Welcome to Kitchen to HT. Today, I came up with a new dessert. It's a fusion dessert. You can call it an Indo Arab. It's called Rabri in Kunafa Cups. I can't wait to make this yummy dessert. So let's get started. First, we're going to make the Kunafa Cups. So over here, I have an oven. I have Kunafah dough over here. To that, let's add melted ghee. I've added red and orange food coloring. So let's add this and then mix. So there are many types of artificial food coloring, but then I use the organic ones. Like it's a little different, as you can see. Next, let's transfer it into a greased muffin tray. Let's make it to cups. Bake it in an oven in 180 degrees for 15 minutes. Very hot. Let's wait. I have baked our Kunafa cups for 15 minutes. While it's still hot, add sugar syrup to it. So I made the sugar syrup using half cup of water. I added 4 tablespoons of sugar and then I boiled it. After that, I added rose essence and boiled for a little bit of time. Then your sugar syrup is ready. Meanwhile, let's get started with the Rabri. First, turn on the heat and put it on medium heat. Let's add unsweetened coa or solidified milk. There it goes. Next, add milk and cream. Creamy, creamy, cream. Who doesn't love cream? I love cream. Cream is very yummy. You cook it until it boils. And all the coa has got mixed with the milk and cream. The coa has melted. Next, add sugar. And crushed pistachios and almonds. Mix. I can already smell this is going to be amazing. Next goes in saffron syrup. I'm using Marimbula brand. Wow, it smells heavenly. Saffron soaked in milk with warm milk. Whoa, this is turning into a milk paradise. Cardamom powder is a must in most of the Indian desserts. I thought this is not an ingredient until I saw it. It looked like water, but actually it's rose syrup. You can also use rose water. Cook until they are thickened. It has thickened. Kunafa cups are ready. I've left them for cooling down and see the color, the golden red and orange. Looks so good. Next, transfer the Rabri in cups. Like with the next one. So we have finished filling the Rabri into the cups. Next, let's garnish it with chopped pistachios and saffron. You can add the more you like pistachios, the more pistachios you can add. My mom said to add very less, but then I love pistachios. I thought, why not? I add more pistachios. Kunafa Cups are ready. Taste time!
So yummy!